So first of all, we are going to create a new project, and in here, while you are going to enable your Geolayer plugin, and I'm going to create a map comp. So in here, I'm going to rename this to Gaza, and I'm going to leave as it is 30 seconds. Click next, and in here I'm going to select any of this. Let's do this one, and in here we have lots of color combinations, and yeah, I guess that's good. And from the right mouse button you can click and pan this in 3D, and let's search for Gaza, and there you go. And yeah, after that we are going to create this will create a new composition and open it up automatically. And the good thing about Geolayers is you can watch everything right from here, and everything will be updated in your composition. So let's download this Gaza first. I'm going to download this, and I'm going to delete my previous, and here is Gaza, and I want the west bank as well. So I'm going to click right west bank. So I'm going to download this as well. So as you can see, we have Gaza and we have west bank. I'm going to click both of them and create connect feature and carve. It will create a line from where we can move camera, and direction will be shown. So the next thing is really simple. I'm going to click here and draw feature, animate feature path, and I'm going to leave this 5 seconds. It will create our animation. So as you can see, if I'm going to, I will change its color to red, and if I'm going to play this, you can see the animation right from here. So if I play this, so yeah, this is how easy it is. So as you can see, like how easy it is to animate. Let's create a camera animation. So for that, I'm going to click here on keyframe, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit. You can place the label right from here, but I'm going to make this in a custom way. So I'm going to press Ctrl Alt and Home to make it center, and I will first parent this to a root, and after that I'm going to make this 3D. So I'm going to make this a little, and yeah, let's increase the stroke, and yeah, don't worry about colors. We will make it really good in the end, but right now we are going to play with the lines. So I'm going to place a keyframe right here, and I will make this forward to half a second, and I will make it 0, and make sure do easy ease with that, and I'm going to use this for motion 4. So line will be here, and yeah, a little bit less, and I will place the keyframe starting from here. Here is the keyframe, and on the 3 second I'm going to rotate this like this, and I will paste another keyframe. I will make this a little down, so yeah, I'm facing a little problem here, so don't you worry, I'm going to make this parent. So as you can see, and to make the dot animated, I'm going to play with its scale. At very half of the second I'm going to place a keyframe, and at the 0 I'm going to press 0 it will animate. And for the easy ease, I'm going to use the motion 4 plugin, and it will show something like this. And from here I'm going to shorten the distance first, and I will increase the duration of line by increasing the limit to 10 seconds. And yeah, right now, and now I'm going to copy paste the existing keyframes, and I will make closer. And on the 5 second I'm going to follow this line, not from here, I'm going to follow this line from here, and yeah, press the keyframe. So I will increase the distance to locate where our line is going. So yeah, let's make it a little more interesting, like this, and press the keyframes. Don't worry at all. So there you go. And from here I'm going to press the keyframe again. Again the keyframe. So here is our west bank. So let's play this from the start and see how it goes. So don't worry about the lower texture of this composition. I know it's full, but when you are going to click finalize, everything will show up eventually. So yeah, I guess that is good. And now let's move to the colors, and yeah, let's use some different colors. Like for the dot, I'm going to use white or dark gray, and for its stroke I'm going to use the lighter color. And yeah, for the line I'm going to use some sort of greenish yellow. And yeah, let's put some gradient ramp in that. And going to copy this color, and in here I'm going to paste this. Yeah, so if you can see this, we have slightly change of colors. I will make it more green, so it looks good. And the one thing which is left is glow. I'm going to type the glow and paste this. And yeah, I will increase its radius to somewhere like this. And one more thing, I'm going to duplicate this and remove every effect from this, and I will lower the and for this I'm going to use grayish to make it look 3D. Yeah, it looks so good. And again, the dot thing, I'm going to put the dot here as well. Just like that. So yeah, and the animation when it reaches, so it will show. So there you go. It's not yet final because it will look more appealing when we are going to render this. I'm going to hit finalize and it will give us a more high resolution version of this map animation. So yeah, it looks good, and we will render this out. So let's play this. Yeah, it looks good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this and learned something new, please consider subscribing and like this video, and also leave your honest feedback in the comment section. So I will see you in the next one.